Imagine this. It's late at night. You're scrolling through Telegram when a message from a stranger appears. "Check your wallet, I just sent you 100 USDT. You laugh. It has to be fake. But out of curiosity, you open your wallet. You refresh the balance. And suddenly, 100 USDT appears. Your heart starts racing. How is that possible? A few seconds later, another message arrives. "I can send you much more. Send me 100 USDT and I'll send you 1,000 back. This is Flash USDT. You can trade with it. Validity 30 days. At this moment, most people stop asking questions. They start imagining profits. But that's exactly where the trap begins. At first, you don't trust him. So instead of sending a large amount, you decide to take a small risk. You send 500 USDT from your exchange account. A few moments later, your wallet refreshes. 5,000 USDT. Your eyes lock onto the screen. You check again. The balance is still there. Your mind immediately starts doing the math. If 500 became 5,000, what if I send more? So you do. You send another payment. Then another. Each time, your wallet appears to receive even more USDT. And you send all money you had, and now you have $20,000. At this moment, you've discovered a secret the rest of the world doesn't know. You imagine paying off debts, buying your dream car, helping your family, quitting your job. It feels like your life has changed forever. And then, everything changes. Now it's time to use your money. You copy your deposit address from an exchange and sends few of your balance. The wallet shows the transaction as successful. Everything looks normal. So you wait. 10 seconds. 30 seconds. 1 minute. Nothing arrives. You refresh your exchange account again and again. Still nothing. Maybe the exchange is slow? You decide to try something else. You attempt to swap the tokens for another cryptocurrency. The swap doesn't go through. You try again. Still nothing. That's the moment panic starts to set in. The balance is visible in your wallet, but you can't use it the way you expected. You can't cash it out. You can't trade it on the platform you intended. The number on your screen looked like real money, but a balance displayed inside a wallet is not, by itself, proof that an asset is accepted everywhere or issued by the official project you think it is. And that raises the most important question of this entire video. If it looks exactly like USDT, then what are you actually looking at? So, what exactly is this thing people call Flash USDT? The answer might surprise you. Flash USDT is actually a misleading term because there is no such thing as Flash USDT. It's called Flash because scammers can make its value drop to $0 whenever they want. The price suddenly disappears, which is why people refer to it as Flash. But how can they set the price to $0? And if that's true, what are you actually seeing inside your wallet? Let me explain. The USDT you see isn't real USDT. It's simply a token that has the same name and metadata copied from the real token. Anyone can create a token and name it USDT, BNB, BTC, or anything else they want. If you're interested in learning how to create a token yourself, a legit one, check out my other video. It's either already out or will be coming soon, depending on when you're watching this. The scammer creates a fake token that looks like USDT. Then they create a liquidity pool and add only a tiny amount of liquidity to it. This small liquidity gives the token a temporary price. Once victims receive the fake token and think it has value, the scammer simply removes the liquidity from the pool. Without liquidity, the token can no longer be traded, and its price instantly drops to $0. That's the so-called Flash USDT. It's not a special type of USDT at all, it's just a fake token whose price vanishes because the scammer controls its liquidity. Just because something is labeled USDT inside a wallet doesn't automatically mean it is the official USDT issued by Tether. That's why experienced crypto users don't stop at the name, the logo, or even the displayed balance. They verify the token itself. So how do you know if you're looking at the genuine USDT? Well, the answer is simple. Open your wallet, open transaction details in your wallet, and look for the contract address. Think of it as the token's fingerprint. I've included the official USDT contract addresses for the major blockchains in the description below. Compare the address in your wallet with the official one. If they match exactly, you're looking at the official USDT for that network. If they don't match, then you're looking at a different asset, even if it uses the same name or looks convincing at first glance, but it's not the same. So, if you want me to expose more scams, be sure to subscribe and comment part 2. I'll bring another scam method and explain how it works. Thanks for watching.